Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show the process of growing, harvesting and processing bananas. So stay with us until the end and enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Growing bananas does not require much effort, but to achieve high yields requires skills, dedication, and proper planting methods. In the first stage, banana trees are planted using seedlings. Initially, in greenhouses, they go to the fields when they reach a height of 40 centimeters. Plants require about 9.5 gallons of water a day. It is important that banana tree roots are not submerged in water. An effective drainage system is essential for crop health. It is advisable to water and fertilize at the same time to help bananas grow. Banana trees develop protective leaves called bracts. At this stage, the fruit stems are covered with a permeable bag. This bag allows light and air to enter and prevents harmful insects and winds. Between the flowers and the fruits, the banana tree takes about 9 months. As they grow, banana trees are tied to a support net. This prevents the wind and the weight of the fruit from breaking the plant in half. For better taste and quality, it is best to apply organic fertilizers. As the fruit grows, the protective bracts are removed, and the flowers from the ends of the bananas are removed with scissors. This process is known as early deflowering. This is generally practiced because this way, banana plant will conserve its energy into growing bigger bunch with no longer stalk. And the flowers from the ends of the bananas are manually removed. As the flower fruits are removed, this helps the whole bunch to grow evenly. These bags separate bunches and prevent the sap from staining the bananas. Pests that attack the bananas are manually controlled. Research Center provides better understanding for the development of healthier and more sustainable plants. 3 months after flowering, the bananas are ready for harvest. Each plant is examined to determine if the fruit is ready. First of all, the kernels are protected by foam sheets. This helps to prevent damage and blemishes on the fruit. The stem of the fruit is cut with the help of machete. The mother plant is cut and provides nutrients to the new daughter plant. Each banana tree produces a cycle of 3 shoots. The banana tree carries the bunch with about 65 pounds to the cable cart system. A mule pulls the cable car system to the processing station. This cable car has the capacity to carry up to 75 branches at a time. After removing the farms, the bananas are washed for the first time. The next step is the inspection and registration of fruits. Bananas are removed from the stem and placed in the water tank. Leftover banana stems and protective bags are recycled. Here they are inspecting and cutting bunches into 5 to 7 bananas. A gentle current of water moves the banana to the next station. Water protects the fruits and removes excess latex. Stems get some treatment here to preserve freshness. Bananas are now ready to be packed in the boxes. This banana farm is located in Costa Rica. Bananas are a rich source of vitamin B6 and C as well as fiber and potassium. Thanks for watching our video. Leave your like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos.